Today I am cooking a very hearty sausage curry with very simple ingredients: onions, tomatoes, green chilies, potatoes, coriander and garlic ginger paste. The tomatoes and the onions I will puree. The sausages are cooking. I'll steam them. Once the water dries up, I will fry them lightly, and I will use the very same gravy to make the curry. Stay with me. Are you also a person who's particular about cutting potatoes a certain way? I cook potatoes in many dishes, and for each dish I have my separate way of cutting potatoes. For sausage curry, it has to be in half, flat. Puree is done. The oil is smoking. To it I will add the paste, the puree, the tomato and onion puree. I have ground it with the green chilies too. I have added my garlic ginger paste, salt, sugar, haldi and chili powder. My gravy has cooked well. The masalas, I have fried the masalas well, and now I have added the potatoes. I'll have to wait for the potatoes to get nice and soft. Sausage curry is a very common Anglo-Indian dish. Earlier on it used to be cooked with pork. Now we use chicken sausages. It's tangy. It's a little bit hot, chili hot, but I don't like much chili hot, so I have put less chilies in my curry. I'll have to wait now for my potatoes to get nice and soft like cotton wool. The potatoes are soft. Check them. Now I will add the sausages and I'll let it simmer a bit. Garnish it with coriander leaves. My curry will be ready to eat. Adding the sausages. I'll let it simmer for maybe a few minutes so that it gets all mixed in well. It's looking beautiful. You see? The curry is almost done. It's looking beautiful. Nice thick gravy. At this point, I will add the dhania patta, not only for garnishing, but also for flavor.